Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook perfect quinoa using an instant pot, a process that takes just minutes. First, thoroughly rinse 1 cup of dry quinoa under cold water using a fine mesh sieve. This removes any bitterness and ensures a clean taste. Next, combine the rinsed quinoa with 1 1/4 cups of cold water in your instant pot. You can also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt at this stage, which enhances the flavor of the finished grain. This simple preparation sets you up for perfectly cooked quinoa. After preparing your quinoa and water, securely place the lid on your instant pot and ensure the sealing vent is set to the sealing position. Select the pressure cook or manual setting and set the cooking time to just 1 minute. Yes, that's right, 1 minute under high pressure is all it needs. Once the cooking cycle is complete, the instant pot will beep and then begin its natural pressure release. Do not rush this step. Natural release is crucial for ideal texture. Allow the instant pot to naturally release its pressure for a full 10 minutes after the cooking cycle finishes. This means you should not touch the steam release valve during this time, allowing the pressure to dissipate gradually on its own. After 10 minutes, carefully switch the sealing valve to the venting position to release any remaining pressure. The float valve will then drop, indicating that it is safe to open the lid and proceed. Let the quinoa rest for another 2 minutes before fluffing. Once the pressure has fully released and the quinoa has rested, carefully remove the lid from the instant pot. Use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa, separating the grains and creating a light, airy texture. You will notice the small white germ on each grain, indicating it is perfectly cooked and ready. The quinoa will be soft, tender, and distinctly separate, never mushy. Serve your perfectly cooked quinoa immediately as a side dish or as a base for your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.